flow into the sea. Just as time keeps moving free, every ending plants a seed. Every heart grows what it needs. Yesterday I shaped today. Tomorrow finds another way. Don't lose faith when shadows come. After silence beats the drum, keep your spirit standing tall. There's a purpose through it all. Life is a cycle, turning around from the highest mountain to the sacred ground. Every joy and every trial only lasts a little while. Life is a cycle, keep moving on. Every darkest night gives birth to dawn. Hold on tight, let your spirit shine. Everything unfolds in perfect time. Leaves may fall from ancient trees, still they'll dance upon the breeze. Dreams may wander far away, yet they find another day. Every lesson makes us wise. Hope is written in our eyes. Hand in hand we'll always stand, building love across the land. Oh, don't be afraid to grow. Every river has to flow. Oh, let your heart believe. There's a blessing to receive. Life is a cycle, turning around from the highest mountain to the sacred ground. Every joy and every trial only lasts a little while. Life is a cycle, keep moving on. Life is love. brand new day has just begun. Every voice deserves to be heard, every promise kept in every word. Stand together hand in hand, building peace across the land, with kindness leading everywhere. A brighter future starts today. Truth will rise like morning light, shining through the darkest night. Hope is stronger when we trust, walking forward with more justice. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow, plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we call. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. No matter where the journey leads, love is found in simple deeds. Every smile can heal a pain, like gentle sunshine after rain. Raise your head and don't look back, keep your feet upon the track. With compassion as our guide, we'll cross every changing tide. Oh, let the truth remain, healing hearts and easing pain. Oh, let the children sing. Hope is such a precious thing. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow, plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we call. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. Hey! Keep the fire burning bright. Choose what's good, defend what's right. With every step and every choice, more justice starts with every voice. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Morning light upon the hills, gentle breeze the silence fills. Hearts united, standing strong. Every sunrise sings our song. Step by step we find our way, holding hope from day to day. With a spirit brave and bold, under red, green and gold. Red, green and gold, forever we'll stand, building tomorrow. Fields of promise, rivers wide. Dreams are flowing with the tide. Every smile and helping hand makes tomorrow stronger than planned. Oh, let the music play. Carry every fear away. Oh, together we belong. One bright future, one sweet song. Red, green and gold, forever we'll stand. Building tomorrow with heart and hand. Through every season,
Young and old,
guided by red, green and gold. Lift your voice, let the whole world know. Peace and love will always grow. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Red for courage,
green for life,
gold that shines.
beyond the strife.
Side by side, our stories unfold forever in red, green and gold, green and gold. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Hey, na 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 na. Oh, yeah. Oh. When the clouds begin to gather and the road is hard to see, take my hand, don't lose your courage. You can always lean on me. Every sunrise tells a story. Every night gives way to dawn. Even when the world feels heavy, hope will help us carry on. Through the laughter, through the tears, we'll overcome our doubts and fears. No matter what we're going just as time keeps moving free. Every ending plants a seed. Every heart grows what it needs. Yesterday I shaped today. Tomorrow finds another way. Don't lose faith when shadows come. After silence beats the drum. Keep your spirit standing tall. There's a purpose through it all. Life is a cycle, turning around. From the highest mountain to the sacred ground. Every joy and every trial only lasts a little while. Life is a cycle, keep moving on. Every darkest night gives birth to dawn. Hold on tight, let your spirit shine. Everything unfolds in perfect time. Leaves may fall from ancient trees, still they'll dance upon the breeze. Dreams may wander far away, yet they find another day. Every lesson makes us wise. Hope is written in our eyes. Hand in hand we'll always stand, building love across the land. Don't be afraid to grow. Every river has to flow. Let your heart believe. There's a blessing to receive. Life is a cycle, turning around. From the highest mountain to the sacred ground. Every joy and every trial only lasts a little while. Life is a cycle, keep moving on. Every darkest night gives birth to dawn. Hold on tight, let your spirit shine. Everything unfolds in perfect time. Round and round the seasons roll. Love will always guide the soul. Keep the fire burning bright. Life's a cycle, walk in the light. Wake up early with the morning sun. A brand new day has just begun. Every voice deserves to be heard. Every promise kept in every word. Stand together, hand in hand, building peace across the land. With kindness leading every way, a brighter future starts today. today. Truth will rise like morning light, shining through the darkest night. Hope is stronger when we trust, walking forward with more justice. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow. Plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we come. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. No matter where the journey leads, love is found in simple deeds. Every smile can heal the pain, like gentle sunshine after rain. Raise your head and don't look back. Keep your feet upon the track. With compassion as our guide, we'll cross every changing tide. Oh, let the truth remain, healing hearts and easing pain. Let the children sing, hope is such a precious thing. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow. Plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we come. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. Keep the fire burning bright. Choose what's good, defend what's right. With every step and every choice, more justice starts with every voice. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, morning light upon the hills, gentle breeze the silence fills. Hearts united, standing strong. Every sunrise sings our song. Step by step we find our way, holding hope from day to day. With a spirit brave and bold, under red, green and gold. Red, green and gold, forever we'll when the clouds begin to gather and the road is hard to see. Take my hand, don't lose your courage. You can always lean on me. Every sunrise tells a story. Every night gives way to dawn. Even when the world feels heavy, hope will help us carry on. Through the laughter, through the tears, we'll overcome our doubts and fears. No matter what we're going through, I'll always be there for you. I'll be there for you when the rain comes down, when you're searching for a smile in every lonely town. I'll be there for you through the highs and lows, like the river to the ocean where forever flows. I'll be there for you with a heart so true. Every step along the way, yeah. I'll be there for you. When your dreams seem far away, keep believing, don't let go. Every seed that's planted gently in its season starts to grow, with a song to light the pathway and a love that never fades. We'll keep walking toward tomorrow through the sunshine